So hello guys, my name is Prashant. So welcome to our podcast. So there are four members in our group. So Tanishwar, Jonathan, Steven, and TJ. So I'm straight away gonna enter into the topic. So what is air cargo? Air cargo parcel delivery is the transfer and shipment of good via an air carrier, which may be charter or commercial. So John, what is air cargo in further lah?
Air cargo is another term of air freight. It is the carriage of the transportation of goods through an air carrier. Transport service via air are the most valuable when it comes to moving express shipments around the globe, and it consists of air mail, air freight, and air express.
Thank you, John. Thank you. So, I'm going to talk about the fact of air freight shipping lah. So, the express shipping option of air freight make it valuable option for coordinating sensitive shipment to almost anywhere in the world. This can be particularly advantageous for small and mid-sized companies as it allows them to participate in international trade in expeditious and effective manner. So, Tanishwar, the expensive of air freight shipping, what is that?
It's actually about a use in conjunction with other forms of shipping like marine, rail, and ground. So the air freights become widely utilized as one of the central delivery options in importing and exporting at the beginning of 20th century. So this growing exponentially is an industry during the expansion of trade networks and markets in the last 40 years. So the air freight is now regarded as an efficient means to ship nationally and internationally.
Okay, thank you, Tanisha. So, Tejesh, managing air freight with a customs broker. What is custom brokers?
Custom brokerage firms can determine the most reliable and cost-effective means for using air freight option to coordinate corporate, individual parcel, or shipment deliveries. A custom broker can negotiate the vast array of options and determine the most applicable means to ensure expedient and on-time delivery.
Yeah, that's true, my friend. As with all international shipping custom clearance, produce must be accept and properly document. And working with a custom broker for air shipping ensure that all aspects of your flight management are covered, from expert service, custom clearance, and shipment delivery.
Okay, thank you, Tivan. So, John, is air freight shipments are easy to track?
Yes, because tracking your air freight shipment is easy as there is always flight number and information about when the flight take off and when it lands. This means you can monitor the status of your cargo from departure to arrival to stay constantly updated.
Okay, thank you, John. So, Tejesh, legal compliance. What is that lah?
One major benefit of air freight that is overlooked is the boring administrative side. Having all documentation squared away and taken care of on your behalf is huge. Mistakes carry financial penalties on top of inconvenience, so it is important to employ a company with experience.
So when dealing with sea freight, this is especially is a true. So what I'm trying to say is it is very difficult to follow all of the procedures and legal regulatory fulfillments needed to pass over the international borders.
Okay, thank you so much. So, I'm going to talk about arrival departure consistency. So, with air freight service, tracking your package and following its promises delivery time is very easy. So, example, a missed flight doesn't mean waiting an additional day for air freight service. Plane runs every hour on average. So, Tivan, yes.
Yeah, that's true. In addition to the fewer ops involved with air transport, the custom fee can be minimized. With shipping smaller volumes of packages, custom, arbor, fees, and other taxes can add up. You could be paying air freight rates while getting packages weeks later.
Okay, thank you, Tivan. That's right. So, in conclusion, air freight is the preferred choice for many industries like automotive, interior design, electronics, construction, and more. As much as $6 trillion worth of goods are transported around the world via air. This makes up over 35% of all trades. That's the fact, actually. So, thank you, guys. Thank you for joining our podcast and see you. Peace out.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, thank you.